Ratchet.
Really, like, don't be quiet. Get to the bathroom.
All units, move in.
20 more! No.
Ratchet.
Greetings, Cadet.
Ratchet and Clank versus frogs. Knock at the frogs. Now where you?
Under arrest. What charge?
Being annoying. Who cares?
You stabbed your own.
So sorry, Mr. Court.
My fans, my sponsors, my lucrative endorsement deals, my parties.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Court, to knock at the frogs.
I am way better looking than nefarious.
I'm taking the
Oh, we want that real good.
Ewok. Searching with the number 82. That's it, Lord.
Nefarious is tricking you. He wants you to destroy the entire system.
Oh, that's right. You know everything.
82. You're right. Searching with the number 3. 83. Fantastic. Searching with the number 4. Oh my God.
He's just too good.
Harrius may be a homicidal lunatic, but he sure can't feel the gun.
Mr. Clark, I'm so sorry to go into the bathroom. Right in the toilet.
If Umbris is destroyed, everyone will die, including us.
Free. You're right. Searching with the number 4.
I'm sorry.
That's enough. No, it's over. Not ending that.
He's here to place you under arrest. Arrest this man for his speeches and crimes against the galaxy.
My crime, the real crime, is how you treated me. The Rangers couldn't even give me a proper laboratory.
We have an operational budget.
You called me king of the Nerd
A term of endearment.
Day after day, I slaved away, creating all the weapons in the world to make you.
Oh, to the bathroom, and then into the toilet, doing the news to get the cheese.
You're the galaxy's
Maybe, but now the last laugh is on.
Wait, what?
In what country? Hair.
No, it didn't. Sounded like you were combining the joke is on you with I'll have the last laugh. That's not how it works.
Well, thanks for that, anyway. So, whatever did you do? Well, what else? The only thing a hero can do in a case like this. I...
You're gonna use a one-liner.
4. Nicely done. Searching with the number 5.
Shop thousands of these a year, and they can't all be
Good
gold.
choice.
Now put your hands in the air.
Over your
E5. 3 insert. Searching with the number E6. E6. Nicely done. Searching with the number E7. E7. You're right. Searching with the number. And yes. You're right. Searching with the number E9. E9. Cool. Searching with the number 90. 10 more.
It's working. Stay with it.
Steady now. Steady.
Oh boy. Oh!
Depletimus, now online.
What? Don't let him turn it on.
Get off me, you has-been. You know, maybe Clank was right.
Fantastic!
Scientist.
9 more! Searching for the number 91! 91! Good job!
They missed.
8 more! Searching for the number 92! Man!
Insolent, idiotic.
Run for my life!
Thank you! 7 more! Searching with the number 93! 93! Good job! 6 more! Searching with the number 94! I gotta change my plan!
Like this one coming a long time. Of all my brilliant creations, it
Plan exists down to the looking of the Ratchet in the power.
you one.
Hey, nefarious.
94! You're right. 5 more! Searching with the number 95! Don't be sour grapes!
On the bridge.
95! Super! 4 more! Searching with the number 96! 96! Fantastic! 3 more! Searching with the number 97!
Get out of there. Come on.
97! You're right! Searching with the number 98! 2 more! 98! You're right! 1 more! Searching with the number 99!
Must find one of Drek's teleporters.
I saw one on the bridge.
Watch out!
Oh, wait!
Ah, yes!
Hang on, boys.
99! You're right!
I know.
Last one! Searching with the number 100! Mr. Quark! No! You did not! I'm dead!
Get out while you can.
Teleporter charging.
Clank! What am I gonna do with our ears?
Improvising.
100! Yo, this is awesome! Oh, yeah! The number searching how quickly! Ah, yes!